Hi everyone, this tutorial is designed to get your research project started quickly using Canva's free templates. We'll cover how to find the perfect template, how to make your first edits, and how to save your final project to a file. We need a professional template, so let's start by searching for infographic. You'll see that Canva returns a lot of choices. Let's narrow it down to infographic posters. Okay, now let's select a poster. Changing text is as simple as clicking and typing. Use the toolbar at the top to quickly adjust the font size or color to match your style. Now you're ready to save your work. Head to the top right and click the share button. In the menu that appears, click download for a high quality final poster. Select PDF print as the file type and click the final download button. This sends the finished file directly to the computer